Hi, this is Vamsi Gali. Welcome to my space where I share my real life experiences and reflections from building and running multiple businesses while actively investing since my early 20s. We are in the growth phase where we are now definitely having a lot of challenges with the capital availability. So, most of the times we do not have any loans or any kind of outside debt for our business. Now that we are dealing with the large deals on quarterly basis, it feels great. It feels amazing that even in this market we are able to put together the deals and move forward. But the biggest challenge has been with the capital. All this time we've used our own capital, and then the second level of capital that we went to was the investor capital, which we've been successful at doing it. However, investor capital is the most expensive capital, which everybody knows in this line of business. And I tried to find other ways, and then finally we reached out to the banks, the traditional lenders, to see how they can help us. I wish if I've known this, I wish I started this whole thing few years ago. Even when I didn't need the capital from the bank, at least working with those lenders would have helped me to be ready when the day comes, like build that relationship and take their help and leverage their expertise in terms of preparing my whole game when it comes to the day when I need to approach them for a loan in order to take down a deal. That is where exactly I am. I feel like I've done the things the other way around, because obviously going to a bank and having this conversation about how much money I should borrow for that particular land deal felt really cumbersome. I didn't want to deal with them, the paperwork and all that. But that is exactly what needs to be done. Now that I needed the capital, now it's too late actually to work on it. But still, never late. And I've already started working on that process, because I know I'm not going to be able to get there right now, but at least a year from now, I would be able to build the whole business financial statements and whatnot in a way that looks shiny and acceptable and ready for my lender team. I wish I have understood the whole capital stack, because back then I was so busy building the business, running the business, and just making deals happen every quarter. But now that we have multiple opportunities, now I am rethinking how the capital stack should have been built, because scaling, I think, dictates everything else. I will continue to work on the capital things, and as soon as I learn something more, something better, I will always share with you all. Thank you.